away they go. Jacqueline's Diamond, Smoking Peanut, the Jorka. Lady wants to know, win the hour. Isa pa is running at the tail of the field. The Jorka being hounded by 2A Smoking Peanut. And racing third, Jacqueline's Diamond. Lady wants to know, racing on the outside, taking the third spot. Then comes entry number 4, Win the Hour. Isa pa. As they round the last 500, Smoking Peanut, 2A by Hapolan. The Jorka. Lady wants to know, racing on the outside, Jacqueline's Diamond. Isa pa. Nearing the last 200, the Jorka by the Smoking Peanut, and Lady wants to know, isa pa. The Jorka 2A Smoking Peanut is running in second, and finally, number 2, the Jorka 2A Smoking Peanut. Isa pa. Lady wants to know, Jacqueline's Diamond, and Win the Hour.